Which substance, when dissolved in water, will produce a solution with a pH greater than 7? So we're looking for something that's basic. Let's just go through the answer choices here. Answer choice A, acetic acid is a weak acid, which will give us a pH lower than 7. Answer choice B, Cl- is the conjugate base of a strong acid, and Na+ is a metal ion, the result of a strong base, so neither of those will hydrolyze. We'll end up with something neutral. And then this HCl is a strong acid, so we'll get complete dissociation and an acidic solution. So that leaves us with answer choice C, but just to be sure, remember that Na does not hydrolyze, but the acetate ion does. So in water, we get HC2H3O2 and OH minus. And of course, it's the presence of this OH minus that results in a pH greater than 7 for a basic solution.